Today we are replacing the shocks front and rear on my 92 Mazda B2200. See, I already got the wheel taken off. The reason why replacing them, notice this area right here is blown out because, well, this truck has been taken care of. KYB XLGs. They weren't the least expensive, but definitely weren't the most expensive. I went with these over the gas adjust because I'd rather have a little bit more of a solid ride. I don't want it too much moving. Also, Bush, because I'm from Iowa. That's what we drink. We don't have water, we have Bush. Oh boy. This isn't 14. Shit. 14. Let's see if a short throw will fucking work better. Alright, so got the top nut up here loose. Feel how bad this is because it's basically rusted through. I went ahead and took a stab at getting the lower connection on. Took a couple hammer blows, but I mean, it's getting there. It's just gonna fucking little. Oh no, I'm not supposed to cut. Yeah, sorry. I didn't cut out. Maybe a chicken nose or something. I don't know. Yeah. I'm just trying to hope to use as much old hardware as possible. Especially with vehicles this old. I mean, this is 1992. All of this is rusty. I mean, I won't even show you the frame right here because I know that 3 people who ever actually watched this video will look at it and start screaming a little. I can put my hand, oh gosh, inside the frame, yeah, and get that fixed. What else I'm going to do? So this truck, I haven't explained this yet, or you haven't seen this. This 92 Mazda B2200. Top out nifty. And this currently has a 2.2 liter 4-cylinder. And that's the 2200. Let me get something. Smack it. Anyway, what we're gonna do is, there's a 5.0 engine block over here, new heads, carburetor, all sorts of goodies for it. It's gonna live in it in a little bit. Maybe, hopefully like a month, 2 months, 3 months, I don't know. I just work here. Not if you work here. that. So I have to reuse this. That way, maybe. I don't know. Okay, yep. This is good. Thankfully, don't have to go out and buy another one of those. So that would be a pain in the ass. Like that. Others have some problems, but I don't think it's supposed to do that. Maybe I'm wrong. So we have to put a little top hat dealy. Then I believe with this the small end top, big end, put the big end down. Then yes, I am doing this for the first time. I've never done this before. So on the top you put the little end down with the big piece and the double nuts. So I don't know which is which, so we're just gonna wing it. Okay? Okay. Thanks. Amelia. Make sure this is right. This. Oh yeah, we're good under here. Gotta get bad notice ya. I ain't lucky. Oh boy. Thankfully. So, if you haven't been yet, welcome to YouTube channel. Someone doesn't mind getting dirty. No, I know, it's strange. But enjoy getting dirty here and there. You only live once, as the kids say these days. Puppy up there. I can love dogs. They like dogs. I love dogs. Put the little. I'm going to show you actually. So this is this little bushing. There's a car seat. Small side, big side. Okay, it's not hard to see. Yeah, fuck you guys. Focus here. Fuck. Here we go. So the little side goes on top there. Top's a little dealio. You get the top hat looking fuck. And then, panic. 2 different size nuts, according to this. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the big one first. Okay? Good plan, guys. See this down by hand. And oh yeah, you're supposed to have like a tool there, aren't you? Let's see what I can get. This is not permanent, obviously. My this vehicle does not currently drive. It's insured and everything, obviously, in case this place falls down or something. Fuck. But no, this is one hand working. Yeah. It's not driving anywhere. I don't even know if the battery's still good. The battery's kind of garbage. But the engine block right over there. 8-cylinder 302. 5, quote-unquote 5.0 out of a, I want to say it's a 1997 or 98. Okay, I'm probably wrong. F-150 is a work truck. Doing some fancy stuff to it. It was I think it was fuel injected F-150, but to make things simple, since this Mazda is a carbureted deal, we're going to also, carburate the V8. That's mostly for simplicity's sake, to be honest. Oh, starting turning. So, since I don't have a tool to hold these, because there's little divots here all the way around, I'm just going to leave that as such, with a reminder that we need to actually tighten it down before it goes on the street. And this one, I'm just going to put not crazy tight, but just tight enough so that it stays. Yeah, this should be good, I think. Yeah, you can see, yeah. Watch this, disappearing wrench. Yeah, don't blame me. So, ran into a roadblock. Tried to take the shock off the shock mount plate. Fortunately, got the nut off, but it came with, come on, focus. Came with some of the bolt, so that's a problem. We'll see. I'm going to go ahead and try to do the other side. In the meantime, right now, I am working on taking the tailgate off. I don't know if you can really see it here, but tailgate is awfully messed up, along with the back windows there, which are plexiglass. Previous owner used this vehicle to remove his ATV around, so he forgot to strap it down, crushed the two outside windows. The inside's still good, but the outside two windows, and also dinged this up really bad. So I'm just taking this off. I'm going to get one of those tailgate nets, and yeah, we're going at it. He also managed to break a lot more, like the hook and everything. I want to save the Mazda logo. I love the Mazda logo. I want to try and get that embroidered on the tailgate net, but I mean, it's actually fairly easy. There's two bolts. They're 14 mil here and here, and the same on that side. And then the strap is held on by a 17 mil roughly bolt. I think you can use a Torx bit in there, but I'm not sure. But I'm just using 17. This is just going to go by the wayside, probably get thrown out. I might hang it or something for sentimental value, because I love that logo. But yeah. Just dropped like an inch on me. I always keep little nuts and bolts and stuff, just in case there's always some weird little thing. I mean, for this especially, you see me? Yeah, banner in the way probably. Yeah, oh well. Yeah. And something like this, an old truck like this, they use so many of the same parts all around. It's kind of ridiculous. Now mind, makes my life a little easier. There we go. So, being out of this, there's so many parts throughout this different body. Anything else. I'm just gonna keep everything. Put it in a little Tupperware jar or something. Then so we're doing a tear down. I'll show you the heads right now. The 32. Those, everything we're keeping labeled, we're sorting them, being really cautious about. But these, everything's still on the tub. Figure it out from there. nothing else. Most of these are definitely be fairly simplistic to find a replacement for. Lose one or lose two or redo something. You please. Even those are lines. Ooh, loud. So as of there we go. This is the intake we're using. We're port flow matching, something, I don't know, making it better. This is the little adapter. We need to clean it up pretty bad. Made that all by myself. We're also going to get a carb rebuild kit. Here's the yeah, it's pretty nifty. Let's see if we can. Yeah, we still have quite a bit of work to do, but yeah, aiming for about 300-ish horsepower. Otherwise, that's it. So, catch you later. Bye.